Did you know that elephants can swim underwater for up to 45 minutes? Here are 5 interesting elephant facts. Number 5. They can't sweat. Elephants have to cover their bodies in dust to protect themselves from the sun. Number 4. They have to walk many hours each day to find water to drink. Sometimes it's too hot outside, so they decide to take a dip in the water. Number 3. When elephants get hot, they will roll in the mud to cool off. Number 2. Baby elephants like to play with their trunks. They use their trunks to spray water and make a trumpet sound. Number 1. A group of male elephants will surround a female elephant during her period to protect her from other males. This is the only time that male elephants will work together.